Hi everyone, I am Razia from #HappyUAE. If you are looking to practice in Abu Dhabi healthcare sector, you have come to the right place. Today I will help you to register in Hard site to get your license. I am happy to share my knowledge with you to help you how to apply or register to get Hard license. First of all, I would like to say Abu Dhabi government has changed their health department name as DOH, Department of Health. Previously, it was known as HAAT, Health Authority of Abu Dhabi. Recently, Abu Dhabi government has upgraded their DOH official site, and also there is some changes in the entire registration process. So I thought to help you by explaining it step by step for those who face difficulties. Before going to the video, I request please subscribe my channel #HappyUAE and also please like and share my video if you feel it was useful to you. First of all, let me explain about the changes in older and newer version of website. Previously, registrations, license renewals, cancellation procedures are done by both professional users and facility users. That means PROs. In the updated version of health website, they have introduced a new user, that is super PRO user, who can do the registration, re-registrations, license renewals, cancellation procedures of professionals and facility users. Here, re-registration means previously if one professional is moving from one facility to another, they only needed to produce transfer application which is accepted by both facilities. Now that option is no more valid. Now they need to cancel the license before moving to the new facility, and then they should re-register their license in the new facility. This procedure can only done by super PRO user. Let's see registration procedures of super PRO user. Click register new user. In this page, here we need to enter first name and last name as per Emirates ID. And we should enter email ID which should be new. The previous email ID which we have entered in DOH will not be accepted. Country code. Select country code and enter valid mobile number. Select your nationality. And here enter if you are residing in UAE. Here there is 5 registration options. I plan to do each registration separately. So let's see the third option, facility representative registration process. Type of facility. Example, if you are entering medical center, just select center. Now I am selecting pharmacy. Automatically they will show the list of pharmacies. From that we can select our pharmacy. Here we can enter new username and password. Here we should provide new username and password. Username should be 6 characters minimum, and password should include both alphabets and numerals. We should select SMS and email options. Enter code here and click next. You will be getting an OTP number in your new email ID. Please check the inbox. OTP number is valid only for 50 minutes. Here you should enter the OTP number and press submit. Now we have completed 50% of our registration procedures. Here we can check our profile information and username details and enter valid Emirates ID number. We need to select two features, Super PRO feature and user management, and we need to add documents related to Super PRO and user management details, and then we should request for services that we can see while entering or logging. We can get new login details in our email. Let's confirm in inbox and we can enter using new username and password. Here let's log in with new username and password. Here we can see the new interface. Here we should click to my profile. Here we can see user profile details, our user data details, username and password. And please make sure to select the required e-services. Here we can select Super PRO feature and user management feature, and if we click view or attach, we need to download PRO access request form. Here it is explained user access details, professional title request, secondment request, part-time request, profession, re-registration of license, and we also need to enter PRO details, signed authority details, attachment details, Emirates ID of PRO, Emirates ID of health facility personnel, power of attorney of health facility personnel, field signed and stamp of health facility in this form. I will show you a sample document. Choose file and upload. The file size should not exceed 5 MB and it should be in PDF form. After attaching the documents, enter our approval request. Also enter valid Emirates ID number and click request for e-services. They will give the reference notification through our email ID and it will take 2 to 3 working days to activate our profile. Thanks for watching my video. Hope this video was useful to you. If so, please like, share and subscribe my channel. #HappyUAE.